Hello, 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 hello. Good morning. All right. Hold up, hold up. Just gotta make sure the... All right, we're there. It feels good to be back, baby. Let's go. All right. Let's take a quick look here. FRGT, man. This was going to be an interesting one. I didn't really want to get into it because I already hit the 60 cent. I don't know. I was thinking about it, but... Hold up. Let me get my little setup here going. Alright, yeah, GNS looks like it's going to be dropping a little bit. Hey, what's up, Zim? How you doing, bro? Top of the morning to you, latte. Hope you had a good weekend to the start of this week. My weekend was very beautiful. Very nice, very chilled, very relaxed. Hold up, let me check something. Alright. Oh yeah, let me get this set up over here so I'm not confused as to why. Alright. Let's go live chat here. Sorry. Been a while, guys. It's been a while. I'm getting my head in the game here. Okay, and then FinViz. And let's do the heat map. Man, we are back. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, Z. Hold up. Let me turn off my fan because I'll probably hear it in the background. It's probably annoying. Oh, there we go. There we go. What's up, Z? Z and Zim. Oh my god, we got all the gender pronouns in here, bro. Jesus. Alright, I'm gonna throw up the SPY here in the corner. Yeah, SPY's heading back down. Probably gonna see, it does have momentum to the downside. Hold up. Let's go to the 5-minute here. Yeah, gonna be bouncing off for yesterday's. All right. All right, here we go. Sorry guys, I was just messing around in the background. So we got the SPY here. Okay, so Z, you said you were scalped AMRS twice on Friday. Oh, that was a nice little trade there. I still think it has a little bit more upside, actually. FRGT, I still don't like the look of it. WLGS, this is the... Let's go to the viewers watch list here. RGTI. Well, this has a nice little pop on Friday. Holo. Ah, nice. Okay. And let me take off my headphones. Okay, there. I can finally think. Alright, QUBT. Holo. What happened with AMC, bro? Holy crap. 328. What was the news? AMC Entertainment says reverse stock split will be effective August 24th. So it's doing a split. Do you know how much it is by? Said on Monday, it's a 10-to-1 reverse stock split will come into effect on August 24th, and its preferred shares APE will cease trading from August 25th. Damn, bro, that's tough because that kind of kills the AMC momentum, bro. You definitely don't have the capital. Like, I'm just being real here. Like, you just, I know AMC already did it beforehand, but that's a tough one to swallow, bro. Rivian calls, RIVN calls fuck me up. I guess that earnings will be good, but damn, I didn't predict to sell the news show. Bro, we're currently on a downside in momentum in the overall market, so just keep that in mind. We're to the downside. All these tabs, man. Let's see. Oh shit, yeah, the dollar just fucking skyrocketed. Holy shit. Oh my god, bro. Yeah, stocks are gonna get clapped in the cheeks, bro. All these stocks are about to get clapped in the cheeks. You got treasuries and dollar going up, you're about to get clapped in the cheeks. Ooh. Pay attention. This ain't gonna be no picnic, bro. This ain't gonna be no picnic. This is going to be the hard reality of the situation. This ain't gonna be no picnic. Yeah, man. I expect most stocks are probably gonna get. Hey, what's up, DJ Underground? What's up, bro? How you doing, man? We're back. We're back. We're back. Okay, man. You even got treasuries. You got treasuries and the dollar going up, bro. Beautiful consolidation on the dollar. Popped up 103, hit a high of 103.24. Now heading back down. Let's take a look at the VIX here. VIX is at 1484, slowly tumbling. Sadly, it is lagging behind a little bit. Yo, Salsero, what's up, bro? How you doing, my guy? How's LA? I know I was there, bro. Dude, I was at Universal Studios this week with some of my family, man, for a day. Bro. We got there early, we left late, man. It was ridiculous. My whole European family, man. It was kind of weird, to be honest, like a little bit, because they were like we just to give you an example, we went to Las Vegas and they wanted to look at screens all day. I'm like, bro, you came to America to look at advertisements as a tourist attraction. What's going on here, man? I mean, I guess that's the most American thing you can think of, but. How was it? Oh, dude. It was. I don't know. I was like, oh, it's amazing. It was kind of like disappointing a little bit, to be honest. But isn't that Disneyland? Trust me, it wasn't necessarily my idea. It wasn't necessarily. Oh, that's Six Flags. It wasn't necessarily my idea to go there. I know people are like, why would you go there? It wasn't my idea. I was kind of like helping them out, you know? Man, well, now I gotta like recalibrate myself to the entire market because I really haven't been paying all that much attention. I'm gonna be real with you guys here, and Like, I was keeping tabs and I kind of get the gist of what's going on, but like the day-to-day understanding the ticks and the movements and everything. GME's down to 20. Man. And by the way, Buru. Oh, Buru. I've been calling out Buru for a while now. When it was in between 50 and 60. And it popped all the way up to 250 pre-market. Was that pre-market? It was pre-market. Disney's for children, bro. That's how I felt about Universal Studios. I'm going to be real with you, bro. But, you know, that's just how... when people from outside the country come, that's how you kind of got to do it. A piece of shit stock. I mean, it is, bro. It is. But that's the thing. I think what's going to happen is that they're going to do this a couple of times, bro. It is I'm of the mind that I think that we're going to see a... we're going to see a lot of pops up on Buru. Yeah. We got a lot of downside here, so we'll keep an eye on it. If you guys have any tickers, let me know. GGE. Oh, hold on, let me put the SPY here, and then we'll go to the larger one. GGE. Green Giant. Oh, this is like those beans, right? This is those beans. I'm at laundromat. I'm afraid to look at AMC. I would be too, bro. I'd be like, oh shit. I had a kind of feeling something like that was gonna happen with AMC at some point. I didn't expect. I thought they were gonna at least let it run up a little bit more, but got too many chunks of news thrown in between those momentum plays. I mean, I guess out of Mariners, that's what they kind of want to do with it. GNS has been climbing up pretty nice, actually. I do have some resistance at 196 for GNS. GNS all the way down to 50, back up to 144, bro. By the way, I FGNS too. Damn, bro. Oh, no, I feel you. I feel you, my guy. Bro, this entire market is booped. Just absolute honky wash. By the way, guys, I do have some. I'm going to be changing my the times that I will be streaming. So I will now from now on be streaming from 5:30 till 8:30. I think SPY going to 400. I like to hear that, so no, bro. This is where the market's going, down the toilet. So from 5:30 till 8:30, this is obviously Western time. Throughout the day, I will still be in the background, but then I will come back at 12:30 to 2 o'clock. I will be ending the stream. There are a couple of reasons for why I'm doing this. One, the market has kind of been somewhat dead during the day recently. But the other reason is I want to do some other things during the day. I'm going to be making some more like real videos, as well as and then I get some time in between the market time to do that, so I can also trade a little bit more by myself, which I also think will help. But then at 12:30 to 2, I will be streaming at the end, so this will be like at the end of the day with after hours. I know the interruptions are a bit wonky, but I wanna see how this works out. I'm gonna be doing it for a week. If you don't like it, if you don't think it's viable, let me know. I can always change up the schedule a little bit. Maybe I can do a little bit longer, maybe from like 11:30 to like 1:30. I don't know. We'll see. Hey, what's up, Henry? Good morning, bro. Thank you, man. Thank you. How are you? How was your weekend? Yeah. So I will be shifting my streaming time a little bit. So, but if you guys have like any suggestions or something you want to see from me, just let me know. Yeah, take a nap. I also want to do a couple other things that I've been thinking about as well. So just to give me some time, because there are times when there isn't really much going on in the market, and not that I can't do this for 8 hours a day, but how do you say it? There's not always room for that to happen. I kind of want I want there to be things I can talk about as well. Laid back, us geezers need relaxation. Yeah. No, I think that's also it. Like because not you guys also have things to do, right? Um, so, and I don't want to because you might leave it on in the background, and I appreciate it, but how do you say it? I think it's also good if you guys have time to do some things, and then if you choose to, maybe there's something interesting going on, and you want to come back a little bit later, towards the end of close. Then it's a nice little quick stream. We can talk about some things. We can review the day. We can look for new stocks. Right now, the most interesting thing I see in the market is the U.S. dollar. The fact that you have U.S. Treasuries and the U.S. dollar going up so much right now is unbelievable. Nap in between those times. Yeah, I think that's also nap in between those times. Just to give everyone some fresh breath of air. Plus, I can like change the title and stuff. I can maybe even change the thumbnail or something. Actually, I'll probably keep the same thumbnail just so you guys know for that day when I'm back. See, lean hogs. So we got healthcare. Well, no, this heat map is from yesterday. Okay, so we have an indecisive move to the downside there. The VIX is going down, but I don't really know why. Yeah, the dollar's... Dude, the dollar is going up so hard right now. Holy crap. You have some hard momentum on the dollar right now. Some hard momentum, which will not be good for stocks whatsoever. But so, sir, you really think the SPY is going all the way back down to 400, dude? Do you have like a time frame for that? Because I got like the, if you look at the 200 EMA on this bad boy, like if you look at some of the EMAs, like I got the 100 at 430, I got the 200 at around 417, I got the 500 down at 405. I mean, if you get the SPY breaking below the 500 EMA on the daily, I mean, you're going down. Yeah, that's the 100 EMA. That actually make a lot of sense. Plus, that's a volume average as well. That volume support. Sue, what's up? How are you? Ready for the journey of a lifetime? I don't know. This would be interesting to keep an eye out on. TS. Really, man? What is this? I guess it did have a steady climb. Had some hard drops. What about FRGT? FRGT is on its way down. Damn, Nvidia's at the bottom here. 408. Wow. Nvidia's almost already lost like 17% off of its high. I'm doing good, Sue. I'm doing good. You know, just getting back into the rhythm of things. I'm probably gonna be a little rusty today, guys. I'm not even gonna lie with you. I do see a bounce here in the SPY, actually, like a little bit to the upside, but with that dollar ripping, I'm not so sure we're gonna see that. Even SDPI went down. Went down hard, 117. That's pretty shocking, to be honest. Excuse me. PLTR. Anything like worthy of note? Anything like tremendously important right now? Because right now let's see. Probably the most interesting story that I see, again, as I said, it's the dollar, but also the treasuries. With the US 10 year yield is at 4.19%, and you have the 30 at around 4.3 essentially. 10 is at 4.2. Copper took a hit. Natural gas took a hit. Some people have been playing natural gas a lot more, which probably been more beneficial recently, but oil's having a nice little rip here. Yeah, we got momentum on the oil slowing down. I don't think I've ever seen the dollar move like this before. We definitely got to move up to like close to 104s here. We got momentum on the daily. Whoa. Strong as hell. QUBT, how's that doing? Oh, wow. Wow, it did have that pop. God damn it. Went all the way back down to 110. It's now on for another pop here. Probably going to have to come back down to that 110 and then pop out again. Probably hit that like 130 area. So they're even trying to suppress the quantum plays, the smaller quantum plays. How's FNGR doing? 546. Had that dip all the way back down to 385. Had a hard bounce. It's going to come up on that trend line again. I think this could break out at some point. See, CEI I'm not so sure about, I mean, bro. What about Ahi? Ahi broke down a little bit. Futures. The only one going up is the VIX, which is actually not surprising whatsoever. Dude, this dollar move is crazy, man. It's crazy. You can't tell me otherwise. Also check out SV. Why is silver making all silver and gold are going down because the dollar is going up. Because when the dollar dropped below 100, that's when you saw gold and silver making moves. Pyro, what's up? Thank you, sir. How have you been? Heard me talking about gold and silver, pops immediately into the chat. Oh, that's a coincidence. I don't think so. Yeah, man. No, gold and silver been going down. Gold I wasn't so surprised about. Silver I was. It's following the fractal until it didn't, which is fair. Which is fair. I think you're gonna see I think you're probably gonna see a sharp move. There's got to be something. Like, you were having such a nice climb up on silver. Like, the dollar is moving up real quick. I get why treasuries is more attractive than gold and silver. I get that, but I don't understand how could have had that hard of a drop off. But I will say the other most interesting part is probably just the larger indices. Interesting. I do see some buying pressure on the larger indices. The SPY does tell me that we're going to go down further. Especially if we start breaking those. Actually, let me put up the SPY on the. Let me look at the SPY just by itself. So yeah, we are hitting support. This is kind of to be expected from yesterday. We do have a lower support of 443. So we do still have that gap at 442.75, 443.06. Then we have a gap. Excuse me. Then we have a gap at 421, 422, which would essentially be the 200 EMA on the SPY on the daily. Now this is where it gets interesting. So Sarah's calling a 400 on the SPY. But based off of the way the chart's set up, you're going below the 500 EMA. Now, that's where things get hairy. Because if you go below the 500 EMA, there's one of two things that happen. Either you see a massive rebound, which I think is what a majority of the market is probably thinking and hoping for, which also could indicate to me that that's not going to happen, because if a majority of the market wants to happen, it's probably not going to happen. Oh, I did have a good vacation, man. I'm just chilling, bro. I've not seen you on YouTube in forever. Yes, hello, Connie. I was on a little bit of a vacation. Lamfier, what's up? Hey, all. Gina still looking good. Yes, sir. Could have gotten in all the way down at 50. Would have been a very nice entry. But, yeah. Anyways, as I was saying, if you drop below the 500 EMA on the SPY, right, you're either going to get a hard rebound, which is what majority of the market is hoping for, which hope is not going to get you anywhere in this market. So push to the downside is probably inevitable. Now, for those of you who have been with me on here, you probably heard my constant hammering of how the market is, how I believe the market is probably going to take a tumble, which it's doing right now. Now, we're still at 444, still above a gap. We got support. We're at the 50 EMA. Oh, boy. Oh my god. Well, well, well. Look what the cat brought in. Welcome back. What's up, Steve? How you doing, bro? Hope you were enjoying your summer, Steve. Damn. Those are dropping hard. But, yeah, so we are at a 444 on the SPY. I personally, I think we're at a point within the market where once the market takes a nosedive or even starts heading down, which it's kind of doing right now, the argumentation for the market to continue to rally, I think, disappears over time. So as you rally, the lifespan in which that rally, now that's like basic logic, of course, but I'm saying, especially with how high we went and how quickly, I don't think this is sustainable. I think the rebound, especially if you drop below that 500 EMA, is going to be a very tough rebound. You're probably going to have to retest this 350 area. Gone every weekend enjoying the outdoors, as it should be, Steve, as it should be. Yeah, no, I've been doing some stuff outside as well. I went to Utah. Utah was fun. Went to go visit some canyon in Utah, very beautiful. I've also been keeping a close eye on my apple tree, which I know, apple tree, who would have thought? I got some interesting things to show you guys about that, because I might even make a video about the apple tree again, because and it'll be very quick, but I'll show you guys. It's so cool. It's so cool. It like when I was in Utah, it actually happened. So I'll now I'm like a nerd when it comes to this stuff. So you'll probably watch it and you'll be like, what the hell is this guy talking about? But hey, man, this is what I like. So. AMC, look at this. Market's about to open. Honestly, whew. Here we go. We got a minute left, guys. Oh my God, Steve shortened AMC. What happened, Steve? No, I'm kidding. No, bro. AMC is like, especially after a reverse split. I mean, how are you gonna rebound all of that? I love it. We got some conflicting ideas here. I'm tempted buying AMC. I don't know. It's dropped pretty hard. You could see a good rebound. I think you could see a rebound to that 380 area. That's definitely a possibility. You would run into some sharp momentum. I think that's kind of the only issue that you're kind of looking at. Make money both ways? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. No, I 100% agree. All right, market is open. Let's take a look. Viewers watch list. Hold up. Let me get the... let me get some of these... All right, there we go. TMC is at the top of the list here, popping up 32%. AMRS dropping here at open 1530. SXTP, no volume, up 8%. Very interesting. Hold on, let me see something here. Like right here, yeah. Lucy. What happened with Lucy? Lucy popped up to 97, then got dropped all the way down to 77 right off the bat. COSM not really doing much. Goro dropped. I remember I got out of this because I wanted to jump into some other plays. Let's go. Let's go. Puts for 200%. Nothing better than making some good money. See, AMRS is popping back up here, 16 cents. TMC popping up here, 153. We do have some resistance here at around 161. Do have some selling pressure in between 161 and 168. We did find some hard support here at 132. Looking pretty good for now. We don't really, let's look at the, oh, we did have some pop-ups here. We do have a gap left at down to 120. We do have a gap up above us at around 169, 175. See. Any other large movers here? Let's look at the percentage change. Zyne, Z-Y-N-E, popped up 300%. Still moving up. What's the news on this? Surges on buyout by Harmony Biosciences. So we got a buyout here on Zyne. I'm so reluctant to even talk about this because I've been burned on this. Yeah, they're acquiring him for one. Says it will acquire Zyne for 111. So options. Yeah, this is. I think this probably go down a little bit more. FRGT didn't work out. X kind of just traded sideways. GNS continues its rise. Could have been up 200% on this play by now. If you hit that bottom, 154. This looks like it's ready for a breakout. I'm going to pass that 155. Here we go. If we go to the 4 hour here, again, I do still have that level at 196. We are hitting a resistance point right now. We are above the 500 EMA on the 4 hour, which is good. We also have massive cascading momentum. We have a golden cross on the 4 hour as well, which is always good to see. We don't have any gaps on the daily as of right now. We do on the 4 hour, 122, 124. So just keep that in mind. The SPY is now at 444. The magic number of, well, what I had. Well, let me bring up the SPY here real quick. Let me just so I can just kind of see where we're going on the. Do some downwards momentum here on the SPY. It's very obvious. But nothing, we do have a bit of a, we do need to move back up to that 445 area, I think. I don't think we have enough downwards momentum to push it any further. How low AMC will go for people to step in? Whoa. Okay, well this is a big drop here. You probably, ooh, 313. Well, this is the thing, you're doing a reverse split, so you're getting diluted. That's kind of the issue you have. You probably won't see anybody step in until that occurs. If I'm gonna be honest with you right there. BSL, yeah, this one had a reverse split. Up, how's up doing? Up had a hard drop here. Nice little rally popped up, and then just got they do a cash crunch. I feel like that's almost every stock right now. I believe it's the 24th, Lanfear. I believe it's the 24th for AMC. Yeah, there you go. I got Steve confirming it. I don't, again, I don't, you guys will cease trading, APE will cease trading August 25th. You guys probably know more about AMC than I do. I'm just reading headlines here. I mean, I don't even know why you would literally divide and conquer. Why you would even engage with it. The idea of APE as a CEO is beyond me to a degree. I know a bit about that. Yeah, you guys probably know how she smells and everything. See, I don't see any buying pressure on the large indices. I do see Nvidia heading up here. Netflix as well, so actually all the large tickers besides Tesla are up. All the banks are down. Holy crap. Western Alliance is down. Hold on, let me look at the daily. Key is down pretty hard. H-band, USB. How's TD doing? Yeah, TD's kind of just holding on to that 30 EMA. AMRS. I don't know. We'll see. TMC 175. Ooh, that doesn't look good. We don't have a lot of volume on the downside yet, but yeah, TSHA, man. Wait, how high did that go? Oh, dude, this is... Yeah. Damn, TSHA, man. This one looks like it's ready to pop. Even though it's pro. Is it really going to get slapped down now? Well, 174. There we go. It's off to the races. This is so bullish. So bullish. It's going to get halted. 176, 177. They're slowing down the order book. Looks like it's halted at 177. Yep, there you go. Halted 177. Damn. That sucks. TMC, VCIG. Man. Unhalted. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. What is the news on TSHA? On RET data financing deal. Reports initial clinical data for first adult Rett syndrome patient dosed and reveal phase 1/2 trial. Halted at 157. Agrees on 150 million private placement financing. All right. Where's the dollar at? Dollar continues to rip higher here. 103.40. Man, how high do I have this going? Just recovered that wedge so hard. It has to break down then. No, because you got momentum's way too strong right now. Well, guys, I'm gonna go get some coffee. Alright, I'm back. A little bit of coffee. Just chillaxing for now. TTOO is moving. Alright, let's take a look. Whoa, 35? When did this happen? Holy crap. Hold up. FRGT going on the way down. TSHA. This one's about to pop again. I know those are short-lived pop, but I don't know. The upside volume did get deterred by the downside volume. But I feel like that was a weak move. You have to keep an eye on it. You did have a really good setup here. This is a very obvious bullish move. I think that's probably why they halted it. Whoa. Nice move on TTOO. Alright. go SPY on the upside. Yeah, found perfect support there. Do have a bit of an indecisive price action right now. We did have some strong buying pressure coming in, as you can see here. We do have some upwards momentum with these two 5-minute candles, so that's good. And we got momentum shifting back into the ticker. 500 on the one. Oh, interesting. Shit, I gotta... I'll be right back, I'll be right back. All right. Back at it, baby. Back at it. SPY popping up even higher. Yeah, good rebound. Dollar dropping a little bit, probably giving some of the stocks some room to pop up here. Seems to be the case. Nvidia with a hard pop up here. Volume is not supporting this move just yet. Something to keep an eye out on. TMC all the way down. Could find support at this 133 level. I've been playing in the money daily SPY calls and puts recently. Love them. Get in, get out. Yeah, no, they're really good actually. Especially if you hit like the bottom, which I think you kind of did on the SPY there. Zero DTEs are gonna been really popular recently, so. Yo, what's up with these fires, bro? What's up with these fires? Oh, nice, nice. How many contracts do you do, Steve? Do you do a couple? Do you do one? Like, what are you looking at? Guys, what's up with these fires? I'm not a huge fan of this. Now there's a fire in Houston. I mean, they could just be reposting. I don't know. I'm not gonna. I'm pretending to be a social media warrior. Don't ignore what I'm saying. But the fire in Maui was crazy, man. I still need to look into that. I haven't looked into like what's up with that. I heard there was some like weird stuff going on. Don't quote me on that though. Bought 5, made $480. Damn, bro. Yeah, options can be those zero DTEs can be really good. So Steve, do you buy both the? Do you just buy based off of price action? Do you buy based like you just go? You play both sides, but the return on buying. because I've done those plays before, and I've made some good money off of them. Just bought some puts, so you just like when you sell the calls, you buy puts, and when you sell the puts, you buy calls. I mean, especially if you get that dollar moving again. I mean, the dollar's heading down, so I think you got more upside. Yeah, because you got the momentum from the dollar is kind of on the way down right now. That kind of spiked the market down in the pre-market. So, okay, so you just play the momentum. Damn. I see strong, yeah. Keep going, Abe. Oh, Sue has the gold bar now. Let's go. Yeah, Pyro still has the red sword. If I get more members, I can do more emojis. I kind of want to do some more emojis. You're a bunch of seagulls. We're like 15 minutes away from, not even, probably more like 30 minutes away from the beach. QUBT, man. I want to know what's up with SDPI, bro. That mofo just treated me terribly for no reason. Sorry guys, I was checking some things. Oh yeah, I was looking at I was looking for SDPI. Or yeah, SDPI. They had some decent earnings. I don't know. Yeah, it wasn't great, but it wasn't terrible. Interesting, weird. All right. Finger. GFAI, how's GFAI doing? How's Ahi doing? Oh yeah. I just didn't have a feeling that could. Alright. Well, the SPY did pop back up, but it's now heading back down. So, Steve, you do have momentum on to the downside as of right now. That's also a really good confirmation to the downside. Dude, you had a pop up to that 500 EMA on the 5-minute. Now, we do have some cascading momentum. I think that's the only thing you want to keep an eye out on that 5-minute. Because if you do pop up over the 5-minute, you're probably heading back to that 447 area, which would coincide with the 5, 10, and 5 and 10 minute. I don't think you're going to be popping over 4-4. Like, I would wait to if you get to that 447 area. Yeah, the SPY looks like it's ready to head up further on that 15-minute. Still need probably a little bit of consolidation, but you could see it pop up here. Kind of just filled this gap, to be honest. I'm not sure if it too much of upside is necessarily there, but you did have the dollar pop down here. WeWork, wow, all the way up to 25. WeWork moving up 24% with a lot of volume picking it up right now. Massive move to the upside, currently a new high a day. Friday we did hit 2750, came back down all the way down to 1860, popping back up to 26 essentially. GNS now at 140, did hit that 157 earlier on in the morning. AGBA currently up hitting 96. Yeah, you're waiting for a breakout underneath, waiting for momentum to get collected. GNS now below 140. VCIG coming all the way back down to 372. This could be a nice pop-up later in the day. MACD is not necessarily in your favor. RSI is down below 50. FRGT, I mean, they had some good earnings, man. And then you film this gap all the way down. I don't know. VIX, what's the VIX doing? VIX is at 1550. Yeah, I mean, you're looking for a pop-up on the VIX at some point. Amazon got some gaps to fill, man. It was below that 500. Yeah, see, this is a bit tricky because you're below that 500 EMA. What about MasterCard? MasterCard still has an upwards momentum for now. It's slowing down a little bit. AI back down below the 500 EMA. You do have momentum to the downside. We could see a pop up to 36 here, but you also have a pop down to 28. So keep an eye out on that. You do have some slowing momentum. We are double bottoming out here a little bit. We're trying to use that 100 EMA as support. We did use that 50. We broke down below that. We're now using the 100. We could easily break down below that. As I said, back down to that 28 area. Seems plausible. Apple had a hard drop all the way down to 178. Man. I did have puts on Apple at one point for pretty much where we're at right now, but they were a little too close in expiration. They would have closed out the money. So My timing was off on Apple, but my interpretation of what was going on was good. And also with that hard drop, man, that would have been extra. That momentum would have carried into the puts. Oh yeah, we got SPY popping back up here. How's that dollar doing? Yeah, the dollar's still heading down here. We got momentum towards the downside. We do have some support on the dollar, so we could see a bounce, which would be bad for stocks, of course. We did have a bit of a drop in the bonds, which, see, we do have some good broader market confirmation of short-term upside. That dude, this was fucking strong confirmation. How I did not see that pisses me off. Man, these banks are fucking taking a hit, dude. DPST, key. No, looks like we kind of found a bottom here on the banks. Hard drops here at the open. RGTI now popping up. Wasn't this someone mentioned this the other week? Someone said RGTI was gonna run the other week. That was a while ago. This was back when it was like one. Oh no, that was me. I'm an idiot. I'm an absolute idiot. I'm like, oh, someone in the chat, but Hey, what's up, P71? How you doing, bro? Thank you, man. I appreciate it. How have you been? I'm back at it, baby. I got a new schedule though. I'm gonna stop streaming in about 50 minutes, and I'll be back later today. Cause I got some things I wanna be doing in between that time. Hey, what's up, Mark? Great to see you back. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. Hope you've been well. Hope all you guys had a good couple of weeks. Hopefully it wasn't too boring. Tio, man. 569 dropped like a mofo. Ooh. Yeah, this is an interesting setup here on Tio. Because we kind of hit this bottom now twice. We did have this sort of double top where we tried to pop over the 500 and it kind of failed. So yeah, that definitely tells me we're heading back down. I'm not sure if we test this 86 though on TO. I think that'd be a little intense. Ask Sue how good a trader I was in your absence. Sue, how good of a trader was Salcero in my absence? I don't like that emoji. Just in time for AMC drama. I was lonely without you. Yeah, man. I'm telling you, bro, that whole AMC debacle, like, that shit's kind of over with, man. We were going to replace you with an AI tune. Oh boy. Does AI tune also cook and clean? Oh, so Sarah. No, I'm back, guys. I'm back. Don't worry. Yeah, TSHA, bro. This bad boy is done. I don't even think you can play puts on this. Man, let's take a look at AMC. You guys got me look. Oh, AMC's collecting some momentum to the upside, guys. It's collecting some momentum to the upside. You know, I wouldn't be surprised if AMC just rips the $5 here. It would not surprise me at all. Maybe not $5, but maybe like... Damn, yeah. AMC got some momentum. We could see a pretty big move here on the SPY. Oh, yeah. Keep an eye out on that. We need a little bit more volume, though. That's kind of the only thing. We do have the dollar going back up, so got to be careful of that. What about treasuries? So treasuries made a move. Treasuries made a move to the downside. P70. Oh, how I missed the clicking of the keyboard, dude. Bro, I know how addicting it is. Today playing out well. Let's go, Steve. I averaged down on AMC. It's now or never. Yeah. No, I think we'll keep an eye out. I'm gonna leave up AMC for a little bit. I like this little setup, this little momentum setup. I think you still need some of the the 100 and 200 EMAs to kind of curl back up, but yeah, no, I'm P71. I don't know. Trust me, guys. There's a liberation getting out of a stock that kind of holds you down in that respect. I mean, it's already up 341. Okay, hold up. Let me. I'm gonna leave up. I still like it. I would like AMC doesn't have a terrible swing setup. Okay, let's look at this LQR. Let's go to the daily. Oh, is this a? Oh, this is an IPO. Oh, dude. If you get some more volume, you got that MACD on your side, man. I think you'll probably fill half the gap. Like, I think you could see like a 435, like a 430 area. LQR looks ready for another little pop here. Maybe a little bit more development in the setup, but we'll see. We'll see on LQR. AMC 343. I really like the setup on AMC. If you get that 10 to, or that, sorry, that 13 to cross over the 30, you got a good upside potential there. Oh, damn. I played that one at IPOs, was able to get in at 45 and then sold at 685. I'm back in at 280. Damn, bro. Steve is just killing it. He's a monster. He doesn't even care anymore, bro. We all knew GNS was going to pop back up. Oh, well. Yeah. I thought 70s, but when it got to 50s, I think that should have been the go-ahead. AMC back up to 350 now. UCAR moving. All right, let's take a look. Ooh, nice little pop-up. Got some good momentum here. It is very overbought. AMC probably has a little bit more to go. I think that 370 area is looking spicy right now. I mean, you could got a 10 cents on the on the share for AMC when I said it was looking good. Hold up, guys. I gotta go get my dog. My dog's going crazy. Oh, okay, I'm back. UCAR. Ape is moving. Should've, could've. LID. What's all this movement? Is the dollar? Is it because of the dollar? LIDR. LIDR has a good momentum setup. We could see a higher move if you get some good volume going in. AMC is I don't know. I'm not a big fan of the way AMC looks right now. Still got some good setup left. That momentum was a little bit slow. I'll add LQR to the yeah, good setup. Good setup. There we go. We got AMC dropping back down a little bit. That momentum slowing down a little bit. Bought 1,000. Hold up. Let's take a look. Big bucks on the line. 208. Nice. Let's go. See, we did have some momentum to the downside. Seems like the 50 kind of held it up. It did hit all the way back to that 500 on the 15. Ooh, the 5-minute looks good right now. You got some hard momentum. I think it might kind of eke out at around 205. I know a lot of AMCers have been saying that they would go kind of down to the same level. Ape and AMC. God damn it, I bought more AMC. Yeah, no, I mean, look, AMC has some good momentum set up on its side. Ape is also pushing up. I know a lot of, I think I just said this. My brain was a little foggy. Ape and AMC will come down to the same level, so. Do have some, again, momentum is slowing down a little bit on Ape and AMC. Oh, Jeb GNS back up to 170. Let's go back to LQR. LQR, Steve making some more money. I like to see it. I like to see it. Damn, most of the futures are down today. We do have a mixed bag on the heat map. Starting to look a little bit more greenish. We do have real estate, energy, utilities down, industrials down, financial mainly down. Healthcare is mainly green. We do have Nvidia up almost 5% today. There you go. GNS moving up. I still think that 196 is definitely in consideration. LQR is about to have some massive momentum to the upside. You can maintain this sort of upwards move here. Dude, everything is moving up. Holy shit. Everything I have in front of me is just skyrocketing right now. Let's go, Lanfear. Let's go. LQR, tiny float, just popped up to 390. Currently bouncing over the 500 on the 5. Got some momentum with a golden cross in the chamber. GNS currently hitting 170. Still looks like we got some good upside to go. Yeah, you should have got back in at like probably around 150. I still think that 196 is going to be hit on GNS. LQR looking a little froggy right now. A lot of upside momentum. A lot of upside momentum. Let me go get my dog, guys. I can't find her. We're good on the dog end. $175 on GNS. That is the current high. Ape hovering it around at 207. We do have some momentum slowly. I think that 205 area is kind of where you're going to be settling at. I'm going to take a look at Nvidia real quick. Nvidia had a nice little rise right there. Yeah, Nvidia is going to be coming back down here real quick. LQR slowing down a little bit in that momentum. You can see here that 200 EMA on the 15 is acting as resistance. We do still have that momentum to the upside. Can't wait for the end of AMC to focus on other places to make that money. Oh yeah, dude. No, I've had that before. I've had that with other tickers, man. I get it. I mean, you guys have been in the fight for a while, so I mean, it's a little bit different, obviously, but generally speaking, I see what you mean. I know what you mean. We might see another leg up on the dollar here, or we might see a leg down. We definitely do have some bit of a decision making. 394 LQR dropping. We do have a halt on LQR to the downside. Oh, we still got some good upside here on Ape. Look, it looks like we have some good upside. I'm not saying that we're going up necessarily, but everything points to an upwards push. Yeah, AMC's momentum kind of got killed off. Definitely going to head back to that 340. Weird market today, slow with spikes now and then. I agree, Lanfear. We've really weird market. I thought we were going to have a little bit more of a chilled day today, but it seems like everybody else got different thoughts in mind. tempted to sell AMC for $10 profit. I mean, UCAR 658. Let's go. Salcero with the win. Is that what I hear? Hey, bro. Yeah, we still got the large EMAs on AMC are still kind of slamming down here, which I'm not a big fan of. Yeah, I don't know what degree you want to play AMC. Oh crap, that's not what I wanted to do. Well, TSHA is moving back up. Let's go to AMC here. Put up AMC on this side. OQR unhalted with a heavy drop here. Probably going to consolidate around this $3 area. AMC probably going to come back down to that 330 level. U.S. Navy joins Army. Marine Corps is having no Senate confirmed leader in a historic first. Any vets in here? Didn't find any news on LIDR, but it looks interesting. All right. FRGT. Yes, sir. I'm telling you, those quantum plays, bro. Those quantum plays. Don't doubt it. Don't doubt it. Those bad boys are going to pop up, especially in this market, even with the overall market going down. LQR looks like it's consolidating again. Dollar is still headed down. Stocks are headed back up. There we go. RGTI pushing up now 279. All right. OQR still looks like some consolidation is going on. We did have some good buying pressure indicated by this candle here on the 5-minute. Still waiting for some confirmation. UCAR popped up to that 658. We do still see some of that buying pressure underneath it. Nvidia on the rise. TSHA popping back up again. Looks like it doesn't have, so far it doesn't have enough juice to hit a new high. 181 is the current high so far. We do have momentum on the upside. It can easily retest this 152 area, which is currently the volume support. RGTI looking to break the 280s. We do have volume support at around 266. RGTI now at 282, pushing up. We still have some good buying pressure. We are running into a bit of a supply area right now, as you can see here from these candles from the previous weeks. So, wow, Sun had a massive pop up here. Then it's now consolidating. It's probably gonna have to go back down. Let's see if I had to take a guess here. Well, you do have a bit of a point at which it could break down here if it can't get above that. If not, it's going much higher. Probably looking at like a $3.50, $4 push if it does manage to break out. I don't really know where this volume came from, so. You can see LQR is still consolidating. We're still waiting for confirmation here. A little bit of volume. We do have a lower support still here at this $3 area, which is pretty strong. Sun does look like it potentially break out here, though it is a little bit top heavy in my opinion. But we'll keep an eye on it. Dollar is still dropping. If I take a look at the SPY right now, the SPY's probably been moving up throughout the day. Yes, it has. 447. 447.60. Now up to 4. Drop down. 447. Kind of was talking about earlier. I wouldn't start taking puts until you reach that sort of 447 area. Ooh, interesting. We do have a hard confirmation to the downside here on the dollar, indicating we could see quite a rally in stocks throughout the day. Maybe even the coming days, depending on how long that confirmation lasts. The SPY looks like it's ready to pop here. Still think we're going to see a 460 push on the SPY at some point. I don't think that reaching 460 once and then dropping like that is necessarily a confirmation of anything. Let's take a look at APE. Connie should still be in there, 209. Still in this consolidation mode. Looks like this consolidation is picking up some momentum here. We do want to keep an eye on it. It does look a little bit toppy here. AMC on the other hand, 360. The momentum was on its side. Came back down, retested that 340 area I was talking about, dropped down a little bit, 338. Had good buying pressure with some decent volume towards the upside. Still think that sort of like, see, I mentioned, what was that area earlier? Like 440. AMC, baby, let's go. The 10-minute looks even stronger now because you got cascading momentum. The 2-minute looks good. AMC hits 473. I see 420. Yeah, no, AMC, you got some cascading momentum right now. You're kind of waiting for it to dribble into the 10-minute. Right now you do have the 2-minute leaking over into the 5. The 5 is still somewhat weak, not necessarily strong, but I'm not afraid of AA anymore. I don't want that free popcorn. When the gorilla has more silver than back, you best move on. Well, when the lion eats, or when the lion's hungry, he eats, baby. Yep, you're now waiting for that confirmation on the 10-minute still. Ape still looks good. You do want to start seeing some really strong buying pressure come in. You do see some of it, but you need more volume to confirm. Treasury is going down alongside the dollar. Looks like we have some good upwards momentum. For the overall market. The only thing up today are soybeans, chocolate, oats, and the NASDAQ. Everything else is down. Way down. All in soybeans. Yeah, all these soy boys walking around here, bro. Get them out of here. Alright guys, it's 8:36. I am now taking a pause on the stream. I will be ending it. I will be back in probably about 3.5 hours. I know you guys, you'll miss me, but I'll be back. Don't worry. So, catch you guys later today. Peace.